it's me again, Crazy Bag Lady, my little lady. Ruby! It's Saturday morning and we thought we'd do another vlog for the day because it's a bit of fun. We've enjoyed it.
We're going to do it all week.
We're going to do it for a week, aren't we? Yeah, if we get time. So this morning the postman's been and he's bought a box. Get it, Rube? You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rather a large box as you can see, so could possibly contain a special handbag, but we will see. So we'll do a separate unboxing YouTube about it, but
we might do it today. We'll obviously do it today.
yeah, if we get a chance we will when we've been to ballet. Yeah, so we'll speak to you all in a bit. Bye! Right, one of the first jobs this morning is trying to get this lazy pug to get out of bed. It's now 11:15 and the dog still has not got up.
Should I open the cage?
Yeah, open the cage so she'll get up. Come on, Miss Winnie. Time to get up. Hello.
She's getting
Are you
fat
up?
as a dog.
Come on, where you going, Winnie? Right, we'll go and let her out so she can have a wee and a breakfast. Speak to you in a bit. Ooh. Still busy on the Saturday morning. Back to my usual task of emptying dishwashers. I've got a bit of washing up to do because I like to hand wash my little spoons and stuff so they don't get damaged. Ruby's getting ready for the ballet. You still here, Ruby?
Yeah!
I've got a pile of washing to do because I have to get uniforms washed again for Monday morning.
I'm going to get...
We're just having a quick drink, nice brew before we carry on. So I've just got my washing up to do. I've even got pink rubber gloves. What are you showing them?
I've got this little pocket-sized puzzle book, and I've got this little pencil, this little person on the top what I write with, and I've got two jelly cat bunny rabbits, and a really old, they're my favourite ever, yay!
Yeah. So we'll carry on with our chores and we'll speak to you in a bit. Press the button, Ruby. The struggle is real. We have unboxed my new handbag and there was loads of bubble wrap, and check out Looney Ruby. She thinks the bubble wrap is amazing. Oh my goodness. It's great to be little, isn't it? I wish I was little again. Anyway, we're off to ballet. See you soon. And we're still running late and they're still popping bubble wrap. Oh my god, who needs Christmas presents? Just buy your children bubble wrap. I might have to have a go. Catch you in a bit. Hello again. We've just arrived at ballet. We've got her outfit on ready. Ta-da! Yeah. She doesn't wear a tutu for this class. It's funny, isn't it? She did when she was little. And
yeah, we kept them loaded.
Yeah, I've still got your little tutu. Yeah.
And a little belly.
Yeah, so we're off to ballet. We've had to park miles away from it because it's mega busy this morning, so we've got a bit of a walk on. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye! Right, next stop, we've done ballet and now we've come to collect some dog food from our local forest feed company. So we like to shop local, so our dogs like their food. So, whew, ballet done. You alright, Ruby?
Yeah.
Are you nice and worn out after your ballet?
Yes.
So, we're going to get the dog food and then we'll go home for some dinner. See you in a bit. Bye! Right, we're off on our travels again. We've just dropped my son off at his friend's house. Yep. So off he goes. Where is he? There he goes. See you later, James. And he's gone to his little mate's house for some fun. So me and Ruby are now off to the shops. Not very exciting ones, but we'll see you soon. Woo, right, we've dropped James off, he's gone, and now, because we're totally skinned, because we spent all our money on that pink bag, we're now going to go and do some vintage second-hand shopping, aren't we?
What,
See
so
what we
we're
can
not
find.
buying anything?
Well, we'll have a look, see if we can buy some, but we're not going around the new shops because we're skinned. So I've got my red Mulberry shawl with me
I've
again,
got nothing to do.
and I've got my little Louis Vuitton
With
Speedy,
2 pom-poms on.
Speedy 25, yeah, with my little pom-poms on it,
And a cherry.
and it's got the little cherry.
And it's got, the cherries have got faces.
They have, they're super cute, aren't they?
They've got little faces like, that's a little cherry.
So, we're going to go now, and then we'll show you what we've bought if we buy anything. But we're on a super budget.
We
so
can't
try
show
and get
you in
something
the
for hardly
car. We
anything.
might show you when we get home.
Okay, we'll speak to you in a bit.
Bye.
Woo, we've been out that long, it's actually got dark.
Yeah.
We've just been into Asda. You can see Asda over
It's a
there.
bit blurry though.
It is, isn't it? A bit blurry. Dark. There's Asda over there. It's only like a little mini one. We've got a few bits, so
I'm really tired as
we
well.
rush up to go and go to bed.
We might show our things later.
Yeah, when we get home we'll show you them. So
Yep.
it's goodbye for now.
Bye.
Hello, we're back from shopping. Little pub wanted to be on camera for a minute because it's very busy messing about with us. What do you think, Winnie?
No, she's not.
Right, so we're going to show you what we got from our little vintage trip. We did get a few little bits, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Did you make weird noises? Going out the way. No, you're not being on camera again. They don't want to see you. Oh, God. Hang on. I'm spilling coffee everywhere. Get down. The joys of animals.
Oh no, it nearly got the camera.
Right, are we ready?
I don't think we are.
Ooh, God, that was a bit of a
I'll go first. We're going to
loop or whatever you
take
call
turns.
it. Right, go. Show them what you got.
For my baby Dolly, I got this little cardigan.
Oh, and that was what, 50p I think, wasn't it? From
Let me
Monsoon.
see, let me see. No, £1.
Yeah, but it was in the sale because it had a blue cross on it, so it was
Okay.
50p. Oh, that's Ruby's doll. How
No.
cute is that? Right,
No.
what else have you got?
It's your turn.
Oh, right.
We did it
I got a little bowl that was 50p and it says Fortnum and Mason on it, and then it's quite old underneath. You can see that. But I purely got it just for putting in my fridge, little bits and bobs that I'm using. So that's 50p from the
I got
little
this
second-hand
little
shop.
with googly eyes.
Lovely little googly eyes. I got
What's it?
a luggage tag, and it's brand new, and it says Jules Verne, is it across the front of it? But I just liked it. I thought I might hang it on one of my bags, and it was
Jules
literally
Verne, what's that
50p. Might look nice on one of my little handbags. I couldn't go without buying handbag accessories, could I?
I got to this
My
little
phone's ringing now.
Playmobil human.
A Playmobil human. Very good. I got a little mug, which is wrapped up in bubble wrap. Hang on. Quick. And again, it was 50p, and it says I'd rather be in New York. Woohoo! And it's bone china, and it's made by Stubbs Mugs, which I think are quite expensive. I've never been to New York, so maybe I need to go. But I liked it for a cup of coffee.
Also, for my baby doll, I got this little tutu.
Aww.
See?
Your baby doll's going to look amazing,
I
isn't
know
she?
she is.
I also got a little bag charm.
Which means my...
We both kind of wanted it,
share.
don't we? So we're sort of going to say that we're going to share it. And it was £1, and it is leather, and it's a little owl. And then when you lift him up, he is actually leather. It's got like a little zip.
I like the
inside,
thing at the top of his head.
I just thought it was so cute, and I think it's going to look
We
lovely.
both argue over him.
Well, good, it's going to look lovely on a bag. Ooh, I'm dropping everything. Right, next.
I've got this. Stand up for China.
Oh yeah, we've got a fur coat. Woo-hoo. Not real fur, but a fur coat. Right, just put it on you. It looks really, really nice on.
Except for the bow on.
She doesn't like the bow, I do.
This here. You're going to cut it off now. Promise?
Yes, I'll do.
Because I do not like it with the bow.
Give us a thumbs up if you think that the bow is nice. I think it looks
I'm
sweet.
not listening to you. If you say yes, then I am not listening. You're cutting it off no matter what.
Go and give us a twirl then. You do look nice. Beautiful. So that was Ruby's £2 bargain.
Can I take it off now?
And then I also got an orange belt.
I don't think
I
it
don't.
suits you.
It says Moschino. Ruby doesn't like it, but I do.
I don't think it suits you.
Ruby says it doesn't suit me.
It doesn't at all.
And it was £3. It's probably not genuine for £3, although it does actually feel really, really good quality. So it could be a second-hand bargain, I don't know, but it is like brand new. And it's got a Moschino on, but they're just real folding jeans, aren't they? So I quite like that. A bit of
I've got this little pink frog.
Oh.
But he's pink.
He is pink. He's very nice, isn't he?
Ribbit, wee.
Right, move. Right, so you got any more? You got one more?
Yeah, I've got one more.
Yeah,
So
I've got one more. So the last thing I got was a pair of boots, and they are from
I saved the best thing for
Carvella by Kirk Geiger, and they were £3, believe it or not, and they look amazing on, and they've got these really spiky studs on them. They're absolutely awesome. So, and they're really in like excellent condition. I don't think they've ever really been worn. So I think for £3 they were an absolute bargain. They look amazing on with skinny jeans. Obviously I always wear high heels, always, but I just thought for a bit of a change, I just thought they were really nice, and their suede's amazing. They look a bit ugly on camera, but when they're on...
I don't think you look good in them.
We wouldn't like them.
I don't like most of the things grown up by.
Oh,
It's
thanks
making
for
a
that.
bowl.
Get out, ugly.
Really
Right, so
ugly.
that was my little bargain. Carvella boots for £3. Woohoo!
My favourite thing what I got so far here was this is a baby Furby, and it does that with its eyes, and we just need to put some batteries in it and it might work. It's a baby Furby, and I think they're very rare.
Yeah, he's very cute.
And you cannot see my head.
And I'll just show you, yeah, you can't see your head. And I'll just show you my mug, another one of my famous mugs, the handbag of glory. How
Yeah, we
amazing
didn't
is
get that today.
No, I've got a drink in it. It says, such was the power of the handbag of glory that ladies wept when they saw it, and those who touched it went straight to heaven. Handbag heaven.
Handbag head.
Nice cup of coffee is just what you need when you get home from shopping. So, hope you've enjoyed our little vlog. I think we've about done, haven't we? We have got to go back out and fetch James back from his friend's house, but then apart from that, I think we've done for the night, so we won't bore you anymore. But we hope you've enjoyed this. We've had a bit of fun, haven't we?
Dancing.
Oh, we was doing a bit of dancing because it's Saturday night in the background. That's beautiful. So if you get a minute, please subscribe to my channel. We are slightly bonkers, we are a bit crazy, we like a bit of fun, we're never boring, I can guarantee it. So if you get a minute, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Come and find us on Instagram. We've got daily pictures on of our outfits, our handbags or whatever else we're up to. And we hope you have a fantastic Saturday night. Go out, treat yourself, go and have a drink. Don't be on a date like me, it's really boring. So we've got coffee tonight. So whatever you're up to, have a fantastic, fantastic night.
Yeah.
And we will probably do another vlog tomorrow because we're probably going to do one
Yeah,
every
but you
day
said
for
we
a
were
week.
doing it every week.
No, every day for a week we might do one. They'll get fed up with them since all the time.
Why?
Because they do.
I don't know.
So we'll speak to you all soon.
Bye.
Bye.